So ang laman po ng accomplishment report, makikita po natin dito, period covered. Ito yung araw o buwan covered kung saan ginastos itong surveillance and monitoring. Dito po, makikita po natin yung sa letter C, rental of other incidental expenses relative to the maintenance of safe houses. Hindi po ito nagre-refer sa long-term lease.
Po, sir.
We have no way of knowing. Tama po
Yes
ba?
po.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ito nakalagay po dyan na 16 million, ito lang po yung covered niya. Yung December 21 up to December 31.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Yun yung time po na...
Yun yung time
payment.
na ginastos
Yung
itong
payment.
16
Opo,
million.
yes, Mr.
Okay po?
Chair.
So, ang document evidencing payment is the acknowledgement receipt.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, wala na pong iba. So, wala po